Hello everyone. Welcome to another class of pronunciation lesson series in which you will learn how to clearly and correctly pronounce each of the 500 most frequently used words in the English language by learning 10 words every day. So let's start with 10 words of today. Our first word is did. Did. As you can see, I have typed did in the search box of online English Cambridge Dictionary, and it shows me pronunciation of did in American and British English. You can either type the word of your choice yourself and learn the pronunciation, or follow me through in our pronunciation series. Our next word of the day is my. My. Next word is sound. Sound. No. No. Most. Most. Number. Number. Who. Who. Over. Over. No. No. Water. Water. Thank you for listening, and please leave your feedback in comment section. See you again in next lesson, and bye.